guys, welcome back to my channel, Robinson Unboxing, where myself, my husband, my two children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything that I can get away with. So today we have a couple IPSYs left, and this one is the Glitzy Glam Bag X. So this is Bailey Cesarian's choice box that she helped build. Now, if you're not familiar with her, she's a YouTube star and she does murder and makeup. So she tells stories about old murder mysteries while she does her makeup. She started out as a makeup artist at Sephora, and now she's just a regular makeup artist. It's really, really well known. So she has done this box. So we're just going to dive right into it. Now, I did choose a couple add-ons, so I'll go through those ones first. So these are my few add-ons. So maybe I will start with doing one of first. So this was one of the options we got, the brow microfilling pen, and this was one of my choices because anything that can help me fill in this mess going on is great. So this one, they only had the option of the medium brown. So I got that one as one of my options that I was able to choose. But also, I wasn't sure if I should have medium brown or if I should do dark brown. So I chose an add-on of the darker shade just in case this one doesn't work. So let me get this out here. Okay, I'm definitely happy that I picked the add-on because I mean, that is super light for me. Super, super light. And I'm hoping this one's even dark because that one doesn't look even anywhere close to medium brown. It looks more like a light brown, maybe even dark blonde. Like it's just very, very different. And that's the two colors different, which it is very, very light still on my arm, but what it's going to look like on my eyebrows, it could be completely different. So we are definitely going to have fun playing around with these. So it is really cute packaging. So that's that. So I'm going to then go with the next product that I chose as add-ons. And I generally don't do a lot of add-ons because, I mean, I have so many boxes coming here all the time. So this is a Fluff Up Brow Wax from Benefit. And I mean, it is pretty tiny. Let me see if they give me. It's 1.5 milliliters or 0.05 fluid ounces. So, I mean, there's not going to be a lot in here. But, I mean, if I do like it, I'll be able to pick more. Wow, it is chunky. So, I mean, you can kind of see that it's a little chunky. Maybe I just need to stir it up a little bit. Not sure. Okay, so fluff up brows with this clear, crunch-free, creamy flex wax with 12-hour wear. To use, brush upwards and fluff and texturize. Okay, well, at least it lasts quite a while. 12 hours, that's a long time. So I really wanted to test a couple things out. I know that I get a lot of subscription boxes, but I tend to get kind of the same thing. Like palettes, I always love getting, but I mean, at least a couple times a month, I'm getting, you know, mascaras, and you get, you know, lip liners and lip colors from a bunch of other places, and they all are kind of similar. So I really wanted to, you know, try something maybe a little bit different. Next, we have a tinted lip oil, and it's from Cab. Am I saying that right? C-A-B. Cab. Seems right. And it's gonna be this. And short little wandy thing. I mean, very glossy. It doesn't have a whole bunch of pigment, but I mean, it's tinted. It's, again, not a lipstick, so you get what you get. And if you want a lipstick, then you buy like a moisturizing lipstick. If not, this is what you get, right? Gotta test everything out. Now, we're gonna go to our box, and mine came broken and retaped about 3 times, but that's okay as long as everything's in it is fine. So it'll give you a little book and about Bailey Cesarean and about all the products. And yeah. So one thing right off the bat I can tell you is one of my choice items was this. And it's not in the box. So it's the Truly whipped body butter. So I want to try it because I keep on getting ads for the mystery boxes and everything from Truly, but I mean, some of the mystery boxes there are like $300. And I mean, fair, but I just wanted to try a little bit first, but it's not here. So I'm not sure what went on, if they just ran out and they couldn't give me what my choice was, which is completely fine once in a while, because most of the time they're really good. So, I mean, it is what it is. So, we'll go to the first item. So, this mascara, it is Too Faced, and it is Better Than Sex. So this one ended up going viral a while ago on TikTok. So I really wanted to test it out and see if it lives up to the name. And I really like the packaging. So it's actually like a textured packaging where it looks like little droplets. So we're gonna open it up. And it does have a pretty good looking wand. Again, there's like a big chunky coming out, but sometimes that just happens. And this is what the wand looks like. So I was actually thinking about ordering a bunch of just different products that went viral on TikTok, just try them all out for myself, make a little video of it. But then I seen this was coming, so I held off because, I mean, I wasn't sure if I was going to be one of those people that ended up getting it, because sometimes they tell you you're going to get something and you just don't. So I'm excited about this one. I really wanted to try it for a while. So currently I'm using Under the Sun, I think it is, for mascara. I got it in, I think, a BoxyCharm a couple months ago, and I'm not super loving it. So I definitely wanted to try something else, but I wanted to give, you know, that one a fair chance, and instead of just using it once and be like, nah, I'd like to try things a bunch of times. So next we have the Arthur Beauty. Anyways, it's a Manifest palette. And it comes with a card. Interesting. Okay. So there is no mirror in it, but this is what it looks like. And it looks like there's some pretty decent colors in there. I mean, they're pretty small, some of them. So, I mean, I hope you don't get it and you're like, oh my god, I can't live without this one little color in there, because it's probably not going to last a whole long time. So, but it does look very nice. There is quite a few neutrals and what, 3 shimmers. So that is our, I didn't even know what item we're at now because it had so many add-ons. So this is another product. Next we have, I did choose this one. It's Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's in the shade Hint Hint. It's a lip balm that is tinted. So this is what it's gonna look like. Oh, interesting. I was expecting like a squeeze it one, but it's got a little, and that is what the one looks like. And there's no tint to it at all. And it says that it's tinted, but I mean, maybe it'll look different on my lips versus my hand. But yeah, it says it should be this pink color here. But I mean, it's just really glossy. But I will give it the benefit of the doubt and try it on to see. Okay. Next, it's Grown Alchemist Regenerating Night Cream. So it is 40 milliliters, 1.35 fluid ounces. And this is what it looks like. Now I'm not going to open this one because I can see it's got the little thing where it stabs. Because I don't tend to use a lot of skincare that is not that's made for normal skin, because I do have rosacea. So I do have certain products that I use to try and keep all that under control. So until I know that something is safe for me to use, it's not going to cause a flare-up or, you know, work against what I'm already using, then I tend to stay away from it. Just until I know. I'm going to put that one aside, and then I can gift it to someone that's going to need it. Eventually I will be you know, starting giveaways when we have, you know, enough people. Stay tuned, and if you're interested. If not, I won't. So next we have Beauty for Real, and we have makeup brushes. And if you watch any videos, there's 2 things I love. 1 is eyeshadow palettes. 2 is brushes. And I already spent an hour today cleaning all my brushes that I have been neglecting, and some haven't been done for a very long time that I don't even want to tell you how long. So now these are just like smaller, more detailed eyeshadow brushes and liner brushes, even eyebrow brush, which, I mean, a lot of people don't include the eyebrow brush in their little brushes, but there is none for blush, for now, foundation, anything like that. They're all just the smaller ones. So we got 5 on the eyebrow one. You got a little spoolie on the. So we have the eyebrow brush. Then we have a liner brush. We have a packing brush, and it looks like 2 kind of blending brushes. So this one says blender. This one says contour, but like, I don't know anyone that is using a contour brush this size. I mean, it's so small. So, I mean, I tend to use all these ones for eye makeup. So, whoops, sorry. So that is our next items, which, I mean, there's 5 of them. I'm almost happy with that. So next we have the Rehab Dose 1.0 hair oil. Each dose contains a rich blend of Moroccan oil, aloe vera oil, and vitamins A, C, E, and B5. It strengthens and repairs your damaged hair with a smooth and shiny finish. Frequent use for all hair types. And that's what that looks like. And then they're kind of interesting little pod things. So tear open the capsules. And pour the oil onto your hands. Apply evenly through the ends of your hair. Do not rinse. Style hair as usual. Drop your biodegradable empty dose in hot water and watch it dissolve. So it's 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce. It's vegan and cruelty free. And the packaging, it says it's recycling. So that one's kind of cool. I tend to stay away from, oil, but I will give it a shot because that's kind of what I do here. I will try anything once. Ooh, and I'm throwing it around. So that is our second to last item. Our last item is going to be Universal Lip Liners by Luna Magic. I believe this was a choice item. Now this overall box is a little bit on the pricey side because it is a quarterly box. So every quarter it's $58 US. So I mean it is definitely on the pricier side, but it has more than any other box from IPSY. So it's kind of worth it. I mean, it's not every month we're spending it, and it takes away from our Glam Bag Plus. So it won't cost you like $58 on top of what you're normally charged. You're charged your normal amount for your Glam Bag Plus, and then a little bit extra to make up the difference for this one. So I'm going to do a couple swatches. Let's see. This one looks pink. It's more like a dusty rosy color. So those are the two lip liners. And that is all for our Glam Bag X or Glam Box X, whatever you want to call it. Glam X. That sounds weird. But anyway, that is everything for today for this one. I will be shooting the regular Glam Bag, the $13 one, shortly. But like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Always glad to see new subscribers join us, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Sorry, I completely forgot. I'm like losing my mind here. I missed the most exciting one, the one that I've been waiting for. I'm like, I'm like, yes, I'm saving this one for the last. And I completely forgot. It is the Scott Barnes Contour Palette. Now, if you guys don't know, Scott Barnes is a really famous makeup artist that has his own line. He is the makeup artist to Jennifer Lopez. So, I mean, if I can put this on and look like Jennifer Lopez, fantastic. But I don't think that's going to happen. So, we're just going to open this up somehow. Okay. It's like a magnetic. And it does have a mirror. And this is what it's going to look like. So, I mean, it's going to deal with a lot of different, people. Because it's got a lot of different shades. So, I'm super excited about this. They are creams. So there's sculpting and contour. So that one is really, really exciting. I always like a nice contour because, I mean, I kind of got a lot going on down here, and then I can cut it and I can get rid of my triple chin. So this is always welcome. All right, now I'm actually done. Bye.